Good afternoon. So today I am going to teach a lesson of class 4th, and the name of that lesson is food and digestion, which is the first chapter of this class. So the as you can see, the name of chapter is food and digestion, which is very important for us, not only for us but each and every living thing. Digestion is the most important part, and for the digestion we have to eat food. And what is the use of food, you already learned in the class 3. So in that I am asking you one question, that what do we get from food, why do we eat food, and why do all living organisms need food? Can anyone tell? Yes, because we need food, because food gives us energy to do work. Food grows us healthy and strong. That's why we need food. So when we eat food, what do we get from that food? That is nutrients. What? Nutrients. What are the nutrients? Nutrients means the substances that we get from the food items are called nutrients. When we eat food, at that time our body doesn't need that food. Our body needs the nutrients which are available in that food. So which are that nutrients? That nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, roughage and water. These are the nutrients of our food. So what do nutrients do for us? Means what? What is the function of these nutrients? And which are the nutrients? Nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, roughage and water are the nutrients of food. So what is the function? Each and every nutrient have its specific work or have specific function. So first of all we will see the first nutrient, that is carbohydrates. What is meant by carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is a nutrient of food. From which food item do we get carbohydrates? Can anyone tell? You already learned in the standard 3rd. So carbohydrate, we will get carbohydrate from our cereals. What is meant by cereals? Cereals means all the food items which provides us carbohydrate, that are known as cereals. So what food items comes under the cereals? Which food items are rich in carbohydrate? That food items are: number 1, rice, jawar, wheat, maize, corn, bajra, oats. All these items are rich in carbohydrate. There is one vegetable which is also rich in carbohydrate, that is potato. Potato also gives us carbohydrate. That's why each and every, not each and every, but most of vegetables are cooked with carbohydrate, potato. Okay, so what is the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate gives energy to do physical work. Carbohydrate gives energy to do physical work. Physical work means what? Means all type of movements comes under the physical work. Even you are writing, at that time you are also using carbohydrates. Why? Because you are doing physical work. Your eyelids are closing and openings, that also needs carbohydrates, which gives energy to do that movement. So carbohydrates gives energy to do physical work. Next one is proteins. Protein means what? It is also a type of nutrient which we get from our food items. So which are the food items that provides us proteins? Means what? Same as like carbohydrates. Wheat, jawar, corn, bajra, they gives us carbohydrate. Just like that, there are some food items which gives us proteins. So which are that food items? I will tell you. Number 1, milk. Number 2, pulses. Number 3, meat, fish and eggs, and other food items are also rich in proteins. So what is meant by pulses? Pulses means what? What is the spelling of pulses? Pulses means pulses. So these pulses means all the dals like gram, beans, tur dal, moong dal, etc., etc. All type of dals, they provide us proteins. And what is the function of protein? Protein helps us to grow. Now you are a small children, and for your growth, for the growth of your body, you must have eat protein rich food items. And already I told you which are that food items which will help us to grow. That's why the protein rich food items are also known as body building food. What? Body building food. That's why it is also very important part of our food. Then fats. Fat also works as like carbohydrates. What is the function of carbohydrate? Gives us energy to do physical work. But when there is an absence of carbohydrates in our body, at that time these fats gives us more energy than the carbohydrate to do physical work. So that's why fats also very important part of our food items. So which are the food items that are rich in fats? All type of oil food items, and milk and egg. These are the food items that rich in fats. When we cook any vegetable in our house, in our kitchen, at that time we must use the oils and ghee which is produced from milk and which provide energy in absence of carbohydrates. Okay, then next one is vitamins and minerals. So what is the food items, or what are the food items which are rich in vitamin and minerals? It is also a nutrient which we get from our food items. So vitamin and mineral rich food items are milk, egg, and all leafy vegetables, fruit vegetables have rich in vitamin and minerals. It is also very important. If these substances, vitamins and minerals, are absent in your body, then you cannot survive properly. That's why it is also very important that you or your food items must contain vitamins and minerals. So what is the function of vitamin and minerals? Vitamin and minerals help us to fight against the diseases. Vitamin and minerals helps us to fight against the diseases. That's why it is also very important part of our food items. Next one, roughage and water. What is this roughage? Roughage means what? Roughage means the undigested part of our food items. When we eat chapati, when we eat rice, when we eat any food item, at that time our body don't need that food item. Our body needs that nutrient which is available in that food item. That's why the undigested part of that food item is known as roughage. And you very well known about the water. Each and every food item contains water also. So what is the function of roughage? Roughage removes waste material from the body. If you are eating lots of junk food, then you cannot get these roughage and water, vitamins and minerals. You will get some nutrients only, but you will not get all nutrients in proper amount. That's why each and every parent told you that you have to eat all type of food items. Okay, now I hope you completely understood about all these food items which are available in our diet. So what is diet? We will discuss about this diet in the next period. Okay, have a good day.